Water cycle. Water continually, it never disappears. Water is on Earth is continually cycled through the hydrosphere, biosphere, geosphere, and atmosphere. The sun is the driving force behind the water cycle. The main component of the water cycle include evaporation, condensation, reception. The cycle starts when water is evaporated from the ocean. This vapor then condense into clouds, which drop their water in the form of rain. Reception onto the land, the water run from the land back into the ocean, and the whole cycle again.
Precipitation is a vital component of a hot water moves through Earth's water cycle, connecting with the ocean, land, and atmosphere. Knowing where it rains, how much it rains, and the character of the falling rain, snow, or hails allows scientists to better understand precipitation's impact on streams, rivers, surface, runoff, and ground. Water frequent and detailed measurement helps scientists make models and determine change in Earth's water cycle. The water cycle describes how water evaporates from the surface of the Earth, rises into the atmosphere, cools, and condenses into rain or snow in the clouds and falls against to the surface as precipitation. The water falling on the land collects in river and lakes, soil, and porous layers of rock and much it flows back into the oceans, where it will come once more evaporate. The cycling of water inland out of the atmosphere is a significant aspect of the weather patterns on Earth.
Water cycle, also called hydrologic cycle that involves the continuous circulation of the water in the Earth's atmosphere system. Of the many processes involved in the water cycle, the most important are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. Although the total amount of water within the cycle remains essentially constant, its distribution among the various processes is continually changing. Evaporation. Evaporation is the reverse process in which liquid waters become gaseous. It occurs when the physical state of water is changed from a liquid state to a gaseous state. Transpiration is the biological process that occurs mutually in a day. Vegetation. It generally retards evaporation from the soil. Vegetation that is shading the soil reduces the wind velocity. Condensation is the process by which water vapor changes its physical state from a vapor, most commonly of a small liquid. Water vapor condenses to small airborne particle to form geofog or clouds. Precipitation. Precipitation occurs when water condenses from a gaseous state in the atmosphere and falls to Earth. It also occurs in the process when any and all forms of water particles from the atmosphere and it reach the ground.
Interceptions refers to all processes that prevent rainfall from immediately reaching the soil. Vegetation intercepts water into two ways. One, by catching rainfall on leaf surfaces throughout the canopy. Two, through the litters that it deposits on the ground.